Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to clear Google Photos storage. So we're currently in our Google Photos storage, and what we need to do is to go to the top right corner where we have our profile icon, and we're going to tap on it. And depending on the device you're using, you could get to see Manage Storage as a button. If you're not seeing that button, all you need to do is to come over here where you have the three dots just under the account storage, and you're going to tap on it. This is going to take you to a page where you actually need to manage your storage, as you can see at the top here. And if you're trying to clear your Google Photos storage, you can see a summary of what is actually taking space. You have blurry photos, you have screenshots, you have large photos and videos, and you have other apps. Of course, we're looking at our photo storage, so we're going to tap on large photos and videos, which is about 1 GB. And right here, you can see a list of photos and videos. You could scroll down if you want. However, this also shows you the sizes of each of these videos or photos. So all you need to do is to go to the top right corner where you have select, tap on it, and then you're going to select each of them. And then when you've selected the number, as you're selecting, it's going to increase at the top here where you see the number of megabytes you'll be saving if you delete them. So currently we have about 738. We could go ahead and click on the delete button here, which looks like a dustbin. So when you click on that, this is going to delete all these photos, therefore clearing your Google Photos storage for more photos. So if you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.